Much needed help is on its way to Flint. Governor Snyder activates the National Guard to help with the lead-contaminated water crisis. It tops our news at 11. Good evening. The move comes as residents and lawmakers demand more from the state.
Governor has said he is working on bringing more aid, but that takes time, and supplies have been running out faster than they can restock them.
That's right. Let's get to Kimberly Gill. She joins us live now with the newest developments. Good evening, Kim.
Yeah, good evening, Carmen and Devin, to you. You're right. Members of the National Guard are expected to move into Flint as early as tomorrow to help its residents with this water crisis. They're going to be giving out water bottles. As you know, Flint's water system, it became contaminated with lead back in 2014 after Flint moved from the Detroit water system to the Flint River water system. And since then, boy, has the governor faced a whole lot of criticism for moving too late on this issue. National Guard members are expected to arrive in Flint as soon as Wednesday, with additional members arriving by Friday. Their presence will allow American Red Cross volunteers who had been staffing water resource sites to join door-to-door efforts to distribute water filters, bottled water, and lead testing kits. This decision comes after about 45 Michigan State Police troopers began distributing water and filters today to residents. State police said it would take weeks to reach every part of Flint with water and filters. Activating the National Guard is intended to shorten that time period. Snyder's executive order is intended to bolster outreach to Flint residents whose tap water became contaminated with too much lead after it switched its drinking water supply. Officials in Michigan first declared a public health emergency in Flint on October 1st in response to tests that showed children with elevated lead levels. Now, I do apologize for all these papers I'm having in my hand right now, but we just got a statement from the governor as well as a copy here of his executive order, and I'm just going to read a little bit of it to you. It says, as we work to ensure that all Flint residents have access to clean and safe drinking water, we are providing them with the direct assistance they need in order to stretch our resources further. He goes on to say the Michigan National Guard is trained and ready to assist the citizens of Flint. So again, the big news happening tonight is that the National Guard is moving into Flint tomorrow to help with its water crisis. We will of course continue to follow this story for you and bring you more as we get it on later editions of Local 4 News starting tomorrow. We're reporting live tonight in the Satellite Center. Kimberly Gill, Local 4.
All right, thank you, Kim. And we should tell you also that we've posted the governor's full statement. Just go to clickondetroit.com.